This right here is the Jordan that we're going to be unboxing in today's video. What I need you guys to do right now, a little quick challenge in the beginning of this video. Listen up. I need you guys to hit that thumbs up. Let's get this video up to 300 likes in the first 24 hours, and I will do a brand new Air Jordan 1 giveaway in a few days. So be sure to hit that thumbs up. Also, while you're down there, hit that subscribe button. If you watch my videos and you're not subscribed for some reason, bro, hit that subscribe button down below. Become a member of the More family. Smash that subscribe button. Now let's go talk about these Air Jordan 1s, in my opinion, that are gonna double, even triple in value. Stay tuned, watch this entire video. This is gonna be a fire, straight fire Air Jordan 1, unreleased Air Jordan 1 video. Click the top link down below in the description. Go cop a sticker, a fire, straight fire sticker. For $10, you're going to get yourself a sticker and a chance at winning some hype sneakers like Jordan 1 Mochas, Hyper Royals, University Blues, Jordan 4 Fire Reds, and Air Jordan 3s, and someone's gonna win Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s. All you guys need to do is go cop a sticker and you are entered. We're gonna have multiple winners. A bunch of you guys are gonna be winning some really hype sneakers. Check out the link down below in the description. More family, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for your support. It means the world to me. Go cop a sticker. Link down below. Unreleased Air Jordan 1s that are going to double, if not even triple in price, in my opinion. Let's get straight into this. I have to give a huge shout out to Creative Genius. He did hook me up with this pair for retail. They have not released yet. He was able to get them from Finish Line, which is crazy, so I guess they're just popping up randomly in stores. So be sure to go to a store near you and go cop this Air Jordan now before it's too late. So shout out to Creative Genius. Guys, go give him a follow, check him out, and make sure you guys check out his song. Thank you so much, bro, for hooking this up for retail early before the release. There's no release of this sneaker right now. No release date online that I could find. This is a must-have for a lot of people out there once this sneaker actually releases, because this sneaker is crazy. Straight fire. Straight fire. I can't believe Jordan Brand did this, to be honest. I'm surprised, Jordan Brand. I'm a little surprised. Not really. A little bit. Kinda. Let's pull these out. We do have a fire Jordan in this box. This is not your typical Air Jordan 1 box. Women's Air Jordan 1 Low. And this is a size 12, which means it is a size 10.5. My size. Oh my, I can't believe this. The Finish Line receipt just fell out. Here is the receipt for this sneaker from Finish Line. Dior vibes. Much? Woo! Yes, sir. The Air Jordan 1 Low Wolf Gray. I believe they're calling them. White Wolf Gray. Women's exclusive. And wow. Dior vibes. Right off the jump. Wow. Jordan Brand, you gave it to us with the icy outsole on top of it, but a woman's release? Really, Jordan Brand? They're playing with us. They're playing around with us. Guys, this sneaker is beautiful. Beautiful. I want to go over the details, the materials. This is a dope Air Jordan 1 Low. These are going to sell out. They're gonna fly. They'll be restocked, I'm sure, plenty of times. But in my opinion, this is gonna be a really good hold. A very good sneaker Air Jordan 1 investment. Take a look at the price of Dior Air Jordan 1 Lows. Not gonna say that these are gonna hit that. Not even close. But these will definitely be $300-400 Air Jordan 1 Lows. Right now, they're undervalued. They haven't released. You can get them, I believe, on GOAT for less than $200 in most sizes. The bigger sizes are a little bit more expensive, as they should be, because this is a woman's release. Guys, crazy sneaker. The quality, not the best. It is a Jordan 1 Low at the end of the day, so we do have some stiff white leather there on the toe. It is what it is. But guys, the colorway, the color blocking with the icy outsole. With the icy outsole. Wow, Jordan Brand. Wow, Nike. They gave it to us, guys. The Air Jordan 1 Low. Dior? Poor man Dior? I don't like using that term, but a lot of people do it. Guys, these are crazy, crazy fire. Wow. Let me know what you guys think about these down below in the comments. Are these going to be a cop or a drop for you when they do release? The gray is in this nubuck, Durabuck material. It's definitely not nubuck. This is more of a Durabuck material. And then, like I said, some white stiff leather. And that's basically the shoe. Very, very simple. Icy blue outsole, which is going to turn a disgusting yellow over time. And then you do have white laces with your gray Jumpman white tongue. No extra laces on this one. But man, these are clean. These are clean. I don't think you really need the extra laces. I think white looks good. The gray would also look good as well. These are going to do well. Women's releases, for the most part, take a while longer to go up in price, if they even go up in price. A lot of them are not worth investing in. Off-white 4s being kind of the exception. This sneaker I could also see being kind of an exception because of the Dior's. The Dior's. Most people are not going to pay that crazy money for the Dior's. Most people are not even going to spend retail price on the Dior Jordan 1 Low. Right? Unless if it's to resell it. But for the average, you know, to keep, to rock, the average person, the average sneakerhead is not spending that crazy $2,000 retail price on the Dior's. These retail for $100. $100, guys. These are going to do very, very well. They'll have a little bit of resell right off the jump, a few dollars, but I see them going up over time and not taking too long at that. This is a solid Jordan 1 hold. These are going to double, if not even triple in price. So buy them while you can before it's too late, guys. These are straight fire. I can't believe I have them before they even release. So be sure to go up to your stores, go to Finish Line. That's where this pair is from. They were just at the store. Be sure to go to your store. They might be popping up there, and see if you can get your hands on a pair or a few pairs. I can see these doing really well over time, taking a few months to go up like most sneakers do, but definitely doing well over time. Take a look, guys, at the Jordan 1 Zoom. That nobody really cares about the Zoom, but the high top version with the blue racer, you know what I'm talking about? The Dior vibes. Look at those. Those have gone up crazy in price. Take a look. 1 Low, Dior, Jordan 1 Low. Basically, very similar in my hands right now. They're very similar. Let me know what you guys think about them down below in the comments. Be sure to hit that thumbs up. Hitting that thumbs up really does help the channel grow. So please, take a second, hit that thumbs up for me. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. Hit that subscribe button if you guys love sneakers. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. Wow, these are straight fire. We out.